Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your TradingView to your Bybit. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to search for whatever currency that might come to mind. So for example, even if we go for Bitcoin, and then from here you're going to see this schedule. Now, if it's already connected to anything else, simply go down here and then click on log out of whatever merchant that you are connected to. Now you're going to show you this page, and if you don't see it, then simply just click on one of these two, either Pine Editor or Trading Panel. Click on Trading Panel. Now from here you can see a list. You can either scroll down to see how you find it, or you can just click on here and click on Bybit. And as you can see, once you search for Bybit, it turns up right here, first one. Click on it, and then click on Connect. And if you don't want it to remember it, and this is just a one-time transaction, then just click this check. And then from here, click Continue. Now from here, going to show you this page, and we're going to log into your Bybit account. And once you log into your Bybit account and make sure everything's settled, then it will simply show you a button that says connect. And then once you are connected, it will redirect you to the main page where it's going to show you connection successful, and you can use it right there. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.